Hello everyone, welcome to another VRBO tutorial video or guide video. Today in this video I will show you, does VRBO do background checks or not? Now the short answer is yes, they do background checks, and let me basically show you how does this look like. So as you can see, does VRBO do background checks? VRBO does do background checks, but like Airbnb guest screening, they're not enough to offer hosts full protection against bad stays. Here's why. Here are the limits of VRBO background checks. So as you can see, VRBO encourages guests to display the verified identity badge next to their name. So this means VRBO has verified their physical address, their date of birth, and other personal information. However, this process is entirely optional for guests, so currently anyone can create a VRBO account. For those of you that are familiar with this, you can use the site and make bookings without completing this step. So that basically is a way that anyone can basically go and create a VRBO account. So also VRBO hosts can complete guest reviews, but these are only useful if the guest has a history of booking with VRBO and if previous hosts have actually completed the step. So as you can see, here's also what VRBO doesn't do. So basically you can see right here, but basically as you can see, what are the risks of relying on limited VRBO background checks? The risk of relying on limited background checks include that, as you can see, bad guests from submitting a booking request, they act as a barrier for low entry fraudsters and troublemakers, and they won't detect any kind of guests who hold rowdy parties basically and trash the entire place. So this is basically the answer. Does VRBO do background checks? Yes, it does. But again, you can see right here everything associated with background checks on VRBO. So hopefully this video was of use to you. And yeah, if it was, definitely comment down below what you think about VRBO background checks. And we'll see you in the next video.